Carl's Tool Steels are a tool steel and aluminium stockholder. We process big lumps of steel and aluminium into smaller lumps of steel and aluminium. We do some machining in-house, we do some subcontraction work. Essentially, we're suppliers to the tool making industry. We've been in contact with Meditech since the day we went live with the system. Our systems manager, Mark Mullally, is in contact with Meditech as much as we need to be, and I believe that every incarnation of Priority has been installed and upgraded with no problem. The major benefits are the management tools, but basically because the whole system is completely integrated, every department uses Priority, it just means that the workflow is seamless. The main reason we chose Priority is because it was a system termed out of the box, but which we could do some major development with. We felt that our working systems needed some development, but likewise we wanted to start on day one with a very similar feel to how we use a system as our old operating system. And Priority gave us the best choice of out of the box and the ability to make changes.